Are you vaccinated? Do you know how vaccines work? Let me explain. Vaccines train your immune system to recognise and combat pathogens, which can either be viruses or bacteria. Most vaccines contain a small, harmless piece of the pathogen. This would be called an antigen. But some vaccines contain the pathogen itself. The pathogen will be dead or weakened in some way that it won't actually cause the disease. When the vaccine enters your body, your immune system will recognise it as foreign and will set about producing an immune response. This will lead to the production of a type of white blood cell called the memory cell. Now, memory cells will remain in your body after the infection and enable you to respond much quicker if you encounter that pathogen again in the future. So let's imagine that the bacterium we've had the vaccine for has entered our body again. This could be our bacterium over here. Now, our memory cells that remember stay in our body are able to quickly differentiate into a type of cell called a plasma cell. And these cells will respond really quickly, producing antibodies in really high concentrations so we can destroy that pathogen before we show any symptoms of disease. Vaccines undergo rigorous testing for both safety and efficacy before they are approved for use. They are one of the most effective ways of preventing disease and save millions of lives every year. Follow me for more biology content like this.